This is probably the easiest way to make money online, and all you need is your phone, and you probably already know what it is. It's a TikTok shop affiliate. Anyone can be an affiliate. The only thing obviously you need is 5,000 followers on your TikTok account, but nowadays you can just buy an account, or you might have a friend that has at least 5,000 followers and buy it off them. You don't need to buy a course or buy into these fancy communities to learn how to do this. It's very simple. Now, if you're like me and you want to make money really fast and you don't want to wait to have a viral video, because it does take some time to have a viral video, and creating a viral video actually doesn't take much effort. Have a hook, be engaging, and have a payoff at the end, or some FOMO or some urgency at the end of the video. You don't even have to think much. You can look at other people's videos that already gone viral and just copy the exact same thing and just switch it up a little bit. Everyone that you see that's selling a course or selling a community, you probably think like, oh, there's some special sauce to this. No, it's just consistency. That's literally it. Post 1 to 3 times a day and you will get a viral video. But back to my point, if you want to make money the fastest way with this method, you already get a product that has gone viral and you go live with that product for at least an hour to 3 hours a day. This is the same thing I did for a month in making over $30,000 in profit that same month just from going live, not even for my videos. And look, everyone is doing it. 2025 is probably the best time to start doing it. TikTok is not gonna get banned anytime soon. You might as well milk it now before it does. Now, yes, is there certain things you should always do in the video when you're making your videos to help it go viral? Yes, there's things that you can do extra, that like having good lighting, actually showing the product instead of telling someone about the product.
This is my inhaler. It provides fast acting.
You want the audience to hold the product with them when you're describing it in the video. Show off benefits. You don't want to come out too salesy or anything like that. You just talk about the product like it's an actual review and something that other people are missing out on. Now, I've done a lot of different business models from drop shipping to SMMA. I would say this is probably the easiest and fastest way to make a boatload of money really quickly, and then you can start investing into other things and start doing other things. Is TikTok Shop a long-term method of consistently making money over the years? No, but it is a great side hustle and a great to start making money online, especially if you work a job already, you work a 9 to 5 and you wanted extra cash. TikTok Shop is the best way. I have a lot of friends that they worked a corporate job and they started doing TikTok Shop, and that helped them quit their corporate job. I had other friends also making $200,000 in profit in a month just from one video alone. And if you don't think that can be you, I thought the same way. I've seen all these creators make crazy boatload of money, and then in the first month I was like, let me give it a try. Let me just see where this is gonna go. And my first month I made $40,000, and then I was consistently making at least $10,000 or more in profit. You don't need to buy a course to start TikTok Shop affiliate. There's so many videos on YouTube, and if you want that extra support, what I did is I created a completely free Discord. It's in the description down below. Join that Discord. I'm gonna be posting winning products that you can go live with, that you can make videos with. You'll be part of a community that's doing the exact same things. If there's certain things that are working for other creators, they can say it in the Discord and that can help you too. And this is completely free. Luckily you found this video because I'm here to tell you, you don't need to buy a course to start with TikTok Shop affiliate, to learn how to be a TikTok Shop affiliate, to be successful as a TikTok Shop affiliate.
But it being a level flat.
It's a complete waste of time. It's a complete waste of money. Now, if you want to get retainers, and these communities or these courses are offering retainers, you can reach out to those brands directly by yourself. You don't need a community to come in and tell you, because those brands are paying the community way more than they will pay you. So if you break that barrier and you contact the brand directly, especially if you have a video go viral for them, they're gonna offer you the same amount of money that they're offering that community owner. So if you want to join that Discord, that free Discord, I left it in the description. If you have any questions about TikTok Shop affiliate, also leave it in the comments down below. If you want to learn more about TikTok Shop affiliate, just let me know in the comments and I'll post more videos about it, how exactly I was successful in the first 30 days of doing it. Well, until next time, YouTube.